Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gayana. In this video, we are going to learn the pose called Viparita Karani. The term Sanskrit which is called as Viparita, which means reverse, Karani, which means action to achieve work. When we combine all this word, it's called as action of reversing, which means Viparita Karani. Before moving to the asana practice, let us see few contraindication of this pose. If you have eye blood pressure and heart issue, you should not perform this asana. And if you have severe pain in the eyes and neck problem, should avoid. Let us see how to perform the Viparita Karani. From lie down position, bend your both legs. Slowly lift your both legs up to 90 degree and stay here. After this, slowly swing your legs back towards up and adjust your hands next to the buttocks. Now slowly try to stretch your leg as much as possible. Lower the hip to 45 degree and the leg up to 90 degree. Make sure do not tuck your tummy inward and stay here. If you want, you can stretch your foot upward or else you can tuck your toe inward. This is up to you. You can practice with the stretch out or toes inward. Make sure try to gaze it towards the big toe. Concentrate on the big toe. And even this pose is considered as preparatory pose for Sarvangasana. Now slowly bend your both legs. Now slowly release your hips down carefully and relax. Before practicing or attempting the Viparita Karani, the complete one, make sure try to practice the Ardha Viparita Karani, or which is also known as legs up the wall. Before coming into the mat, make sure try to practice with the support of the wall. Legs up the wall is a restorative yoga posture, making it a popular choice of relax, helps in relieve the stress, calms your mind and helps with back pain. Let us see few benefits of this Viparita Karani. It helps to relax the tiredness in the cramped feet and the legs, better blood flow in the pelvic region. Those who practice the Viparita Karani daily, they can helpful with the grey hair and wrinkles, which is good for the hair also. Helpful for women during the menstrual cycle or premenstrual symptoms to relieve the cramps and relax the abdomen, give a comfort to the lower back. Relieve the mild backache, increase the glow in the face. I hope this video is helpful for you with the practicing of Viparita Karani. See you on another video. Till then, take care and namaste.